2. My wife demanded a divorce in the house. You can't afford a lawyer to fight me. I replied, you're right. She served me papers in court only to see the city's most feared, expensive divorce attorney sit down next to me. He looked at her and said he doesn't have to afford me. I'm his older brother. She probably expected me to look more broken. I just met her gaze, my expression blank, and walked over to the defendant's table. I sat down, placed my old briefcase on the table, and waited. Her lawyer stood up and sauntered over. Mr. Miller, he said, his voice oozing condescension. I'm glad to see you're here. I trust you've had time to review my client's very generous proposal. If you're prepared to sign today, we can make this quick and painless. I'm waiting for my counsel, I said quietly. He actually chuckled. Your counsel? Good luck with that. Let's not drag this out. He walked back to his table. The bailiff called the court to order. The judge, a stern-looking woman, entered and took her seat. She looked down at the docket. Miller versus Miller, she announced. Are both parties present and represented? Evelyn's lawyer stood up. Yes, Your Honor. Alan Davis representing the plaintiff, Mrs. Evelyn Miller. The judge looked at me and the defendant. Before I could speak, the heavy doors at the back of the courtroom swung open with a resounding thud. Every head in the room turned. Walking down the aisle was my brother, Marcus Sterling. He wasn't just wearing a suit. He was wearing a suit of armor tailored from what looked like spun midnight and pure intimidation. He moved with the predatory grace of a panther, his expensive leather briefcase swinging at his side. A wave of whispers rippled through the courtroom as other lawyers and court staff